Imagine someone gives you Rs 10 lakh today and says, don't touch it for the next 20 years. Sounds like an easy way to become rich, right? Not exactly, because the moment you receive that money, a race begins. Not between you and someone else, but between your money and time. Every single day, prices slowly move upward. Food becomes more expensive, rent increases, fuel costs rise, healthcare and education become costlier. Your money stays the same, but what it can buy slowly shrinks. This is why money is always racing against time. Now imagine two friends. Both save Rs 10 lakh today. The first friend keeps all the money in cash. The second invests in assets like businesses, stocks, or real estate that have the potential to grow over time. 10 years later, the first friend still has money in the bank, but it buys much less than before, as investments may have grown with the economy, helping preserve or increase purchasing power. Is the difference. Time works against cash. Here, imagine your money is standing on an escalator that's moving downward. If your money grows slower than inflation, it's like walking up a downward moving escalator. You may never actually get ahead. Your money has to move faster than the escalator itself. It's why wealthy investors don't only ask, is my money safe? Is my money growing fast enough? Because safety without growth can quietly become a loss over time. To mean you should avoid cash completely. Cash is essential for emergencies, daily expenses, and financial stability. The biggest mistake isn't losing money overnight. It's losing a tiny bit of purchasing power every single year without realizing it. The real battle isn't it, because every day your money isn't. Time quietly wins the race. Imagine someone gives